Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to remove a broken headphone jack from your computer the right way without breaking anything. First, you're going to take the face off your computer. You're going to grab a screwdriver or something. I can't find my screwdriver, so I'm using a nail clipper thing. You're going to unscrew the face from where headphone jack is stuck at. Then you're going to remove this piece right here, because this is where the jack is stuck into that. And you're going to remove all the wires from the back. All the wires, there's going to be a lot of connections that have to get removed from the back. Okay, you see, removed all the wires from there. Once you remove all the wires, you're going to unscrew the back of the board right here. There should be a couple of screws in there. One screw. And another screw. And you're going to remove this piece at the bottom that you unscrewed. You got to figure out how to get it out though, but I'm going to remove this piece right here. And then you're going to take something like a paper clip or something. You see this piece right here? You're going to open this piece right here. Just open it a little bit. And then put a safety clip in there, and then you're going to push it. Boom, it's going to pop out just like that. And once you do that, you connect everything back up. Thank you.